Alright, we're going to go change the power steering fluid. Two reasons. I don't know when the last time it was done, and also my power steering pump's a little noisy. I don't know if that's going to fix it or not, but worth a shot. So I'll let you listen to see what it sounds like before we start, and then we'll do an after. So let's turn the steering wheel left to right. She's a little noisy, so let's get that changed and we'll see what happens. So this is on a 2005 E83 X3, but they'll all be the same. So the first thing you want to do is check your cap. This is the power steering cap here. There's two types of fluid used in two iterations of this. One uses automatic transmission fluid, and one uses CHF 11S. So you want to check your cap. And mine says ATF oil only, but in case somebody's changed the cap, I'm going to actually check the fluid. Hydraulic fluid will be red. CH11S is kind of a greenish fluid, clearish greenish fluid. They do smell distinctly different too. So wipe off our cap here so we don't contaminate anything inside, and then we'll check it. So take a white piece of paper or cloth, and mine is neither. So I suspect somebody's put some actual power steering fluid in this, which is bad. Great. Hopefully it didn't ruin the pump. So we're going to want to drain all of this out. Okay, so do not have the owner's manual, just the warranty book and a bunch of other stuff and a mountain of receipts, but I do have the number for the dealer. I'm going to call them with the VIN and just confirm that it is supposed to be ATF, just because I'm curious about this.
Bartender speaking, how may I help you?
Hi, well, I'm hoping you can help me regain my sanity slightly. I've got an odd one on my hands here.
No worries, hopefully I can do that for you. What can I do for you?
So I've got a 2005 X3, and
Yeah, I have the VIN here. So
oh, good, perfect.
I was the call center just transferred me over your, give me the VIN.
Oh,
earlier,
perfect.
So I got it right here. So it's a X3 2.5 liter.
Yes.
07, or no, 07.
05.
2005.
Yep.
Yep.
So my power steering is whining on me, so I thought I'd better swap flush the fluid and change it. Mm-hmm. However, the cap says ATF only on it, but when I open it up, it's got kind of a clear brownish fluid in it.
Okay, so I had the VIN, entered it in.
Yeah.
So what I did is I based right away off to check the cap that it was says from your VIN. It already says 11S. Now, because a lot of time the old cap has stickers on top, those caps are more universal. Yeah. That before, and most likely in particular time in the heated engine bay, that green little sticker is gone. Yeah. Okay, so it might fly up and then it will just show ATF. Okay. So for me, what I did before I let Bernice know, that's why I told her what fluid it uses, because I run it with your VIN, and then it generated this as cover, everything that covers a CHF 11S on it. Okay, okay. So that is what I should have. Yeah. So that's why I want to say, okay, this is this exact fluid, because I know they're meticulous, like it has to be specific fluid, so I can't mix it. So that's what I look into it first, and that's the first thing.
Okay. But I have some of that on hand, and it's kind of a greenish fluid, and the stuff in there now is clear, kind of brownish.
So
Does it?
that means that, because if it's ATF, it's red.
Yes, definitely. It's definitely not ATF in there.
Yeah, so because the green stuff tends to, when it gets old, they do tend, or get contaminated, they will turn brown.
It will, eh? Okay. Okay, I did not know that, because it is, yeah, light brownish color. So
I hate to kind of bring you the bad news. Something maybe is leaking, or something went in, like a dirt or something, you know, like some,
yeah,
the old stuff right now, because, or the fluid hasn't been changed.
Yeah.
Right, so it's for a long time. Because power steering fluid, you have to replace it every, like, almost about 3 to 4 years.
Yeah, yeah, and I doubt anybody did, so I'm sure that's what's happening.
I hope you understand, because this is the last thing that people will still remember occasionally do coolant flush.
Yeah.
Because BMW supposedly do it every 4 years.
Yes.
I mean, on the older car, I hate to say it, a lot of people probably past 6 years, they were really says, I need to do coolant flush.
Yeah.
Right? Or, you know, you do your regular oil change. But the coolant flush, the power steering flush, the transmission oil, kind of like a transfer case oil change, like those things are people tends to forget to maintain. If you've never done it with the past 2 years, I probably do suggest to get it changed. Otherwise, like for example, transfer case will start having issues. Yeah,
yeah. So I just got this car with a blown engine and rebuilt it. So I know not much of the history. So I'm going to be doing all that stuff.
But that's all I want to suggest you, right? So because sounds like this is like a project.
It is, and that's why I'm going through all this piece by piece, and I stopped myself at this one because it definitely isn't red, and the cap said red, and I figured that's what happened. Yeah.
Over the previous owners just said, oh, I found some ATF, dumped it in, mixed it with the green.
Yeah, maybe.
And then that's so that because it, as you said, the cap says ATF, so they might have just dumped the whatever red one.
Yeah.
And then the sticker's gone.
Yeah.
Because it should be like a green little sticker, and the guy probably never realizes it needs to be actually C Chef 11S.
Yeah.
So now it makes it become brown, and that's where you said for your little locking noise.
I bet that's what's going on. Yep.
So I probably would suggest is to probably need to buy 2 bottles.
Yeah.
Because you want to do a flush.
Yeah.
Now, complete flush this power steering system, then just put the fresh fluid in.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I have some here, so.
All right.
Awesome.
So, does that answer your questions?
Sure does. Thanks very much for that.
Right.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. You have yourself a wonderful weekend, sir.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Well, there we have it. 2 possible scenarios. Somebody topped it up with ATF because the sticker flew off and they thought that's what should go in there. Or it's just really old fluid and it's kind of turning brownish a little bit. It's definitely not pure ATF in there. And yeah, dealer looked it up. It's supposed to have the pentazine in it. So we're going to do a pentazine flush today. So that's a really good thing to check is do not rely just on the cap, because the green sticker over top comes off and it'll say ATF underneath it. They didn't manufacture 2 separate caps, so I'm going to be putting a sticker back on mine so this does not happen. All right, so the CHF 11S will be our choice of fluid today then, and we're going to be pumping it out with a hand pump. So get as much of that out as you can. Okay, I've got it all out. Now we're going to refill with some fresh CHF 11S. then we're going to start the vehicle. I'm going to turn the wheel left to right a few times to circulate the fluid. Okay, then pump it out again. I'm gonna get some paper towels and actually wipe it out in there. Okay, second flush, and we're looking pretty good. So because mine was so contaminated with this, I'm gonna actually suck this out again and fill it a third time and bleed it, and then we'll check the level, and then we should be good. Now we'll fill our fluid up. And circulate it one more time. Now we want to check the level. And to check the level on these, you don't screw the cap back in. You just put it on top and lift it off. And we're a little low. We're about here at the... So this is the low mark. This is the full mark. So you want to be in the middle of these two. Preferably at the full. There we go. So you'll want a full liter to do the flushes to have enough for sure. I did mine 3 times, but I used another bottle for one of them. And there you go. That's the procedure to flush the power steering fluid on a BMW. Imperative to get the right fluid and double check that is the right one for your vehicle though. So I'm going to be putting a new sticker on mine. But already I can tell my power steering is a lot quieter, so I think we nipped this one in the butt before we did some damage, hopefully. So thanks very much for watching. I hope it was helpful, and please like and subscribe if it was. Above all, have yourself an amazing day. Thanks for watching.